There really is no mystery to having a green and healthy lawn. All you need to know are 6 basic things: soil maintenance, weeding, feeding, seeding, watering, and mowing. Starting with your soil, remove all weeds and all dead material like matted grass clippings. Then feed and seed the soil, and finally water and mow the grass. Simple, right? Well, there is a bit more to having a healthy lawn, and the professionals at Scotts have developed a free app for both iOS and Android devices to create a custom lawn care plan for you. The app is called My Lawn, and I have been using it for the last 2 years and just love it. When you first open the app, you will be asked to complete a survey. The survey will be used to define the location, type of grasses, and size of your lawn. You will also be asked how often you feed and mow your lawn, and to provide a general description of the condition of your lawn. Once you complete the survey, the My Lawn app will create a lawn maintenance plan customized to your specific lawn. The plan is broken down into activities and overview, which details the plan. You will be provided with a schedule of when to apply products designed to control weeds, pests, and diseases, and when to feed your lawn. The plan also provides you with the amount of these products you will need for your size lawn, and will send you notifications when to apply the products. There is also a product details page that explains how to use the product, what the product does, and how to apply the product. You will also be given the NPK values of the product. You have the option of creating a subscription to Scotts, which provides the convenience of having the products you need shipped to you free of charge when your plan indicates you should apply the products. You will also save on the cost of the products by signing up for a subscription to Scotts. If you don't want to purchase directly from Scotts, the app provides you with several links to retailers in your area, including the big box stores as well as Amazon, to purchase the products. The other thing I really like about the plan is that you can modify it by adding or removing products, tasks, or notes. For example, I added a task to the plan to spray antifungal spray to a cherry tree and to apply a humic acid product to my soil. Both these tasks are date-driven, and I'll get notifications sent to me when I need to perform the tasks. Now, if you do not want to use the Scotts products for your lawn care, then you can just substitute the weed and pest control and fertilizer products of your choice in the basic plan Scotts provides. At a minimum, the Scotts plan provides the timeline you should follow for a successful lawn maintenance plan. As I mentioned, I added humic acid to my plan, and some of you may want to go with natural fertilizers like Milorganite or Espoma Natural Lawn Food. And no amount of weed control or lawn food product will do your lawn any good without having the correct amount of water for your lawn. The My Lawn app has a great feature that shows you how much water your lawn is getting every week. This is based on your location, and the app shows you how much watering you need to do to make up any shortfall. This feature alone is well worth having this app. Finally, to put everything together, the My Lawn app provides a wealth of information under the Tips option. Here you will find the latest information on a variety of topics, along with great how-to articles and videos. You can learn how to use a broadcast spreader, how to lay sod, or spring lawn care tips. You simply don't need to go anywhere else to get information on how to have a green and healthy lawn. How do I know all this? Well, 3 years ago I ended my annual contract with True Green, which I had for a total of 3 years. And for an additional cost, I had True Green do a fall lawn aeration and overseeding for me. All I can say is, for what I paid for my lawn, it looked like crap for 3 years I had contracted with True Green. I decided to switch over and take care of the weeding, feeding, and seeding of the lawn myself, and followed the lawn care plan provided by My Lawn app. I used the Scotts products for weed and feed, and I paid close attention to following the recommendations for watering my lawn. After only 1 season, my lawn is now healthy and green. so I know the plan and the Scotts products do work, and the results I got are exceptional. There are several other features of the app which I won't get into here, but will tell you that it's well worth your time to install the My Lawn app and just poke around in the app for yourself. I think you will be impressed, and as I've said before, it's well worth having the app just for the feature of how much water your lawn needs. Thanks for watching, and look for more lawn care videos coming soon.